How to fix Play Store purchase error. So hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this problem on your Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps or applications. Now search for just Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store like this, and then go to storage, click on clear data, then click OK and go back and click on first stop and click OK. And what's next? The last step is to restart your phone. Now guys, you have to restart your phone like this, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.